So I'm here to check out HP's brand new EliteBook X Flip G2i. So this is their premium business laptop, their brand new one, and they're just about to launch it here at the hotel, but I'm gonna get my hands on it a couple of hours beforehand. Let's go check it out. I love that the Flip is a convertible laptop. So in clamshell mode, this is where I get lots of my work done. So this is an AI PC with the very latest Intel Core Ultra X7. So that's the Series 3 chip. Now it has an incredible amount of power and efficiency. So this does up to 180 platform tops. So that is a lot of workload for doing things like on-device AI processing. Also great for video conferencing. This has got a AI camera, 5 megapixels, as well as AI enhanced audio. This is great for blurring the background and doing things like presence detection, so when you walk away from the laptop, it knows you've gone and it will actually lock the screen. Plus, of course, it's got an infrared camera in there as well for Windows Hello, so you can do that hands-free unlocking and great biometric security. There's a redesigned keyboard too with deeper, even more comfortable keycaps that are actually larger as well. And the keyboard is top mounted, so it's easier to replace just in case you need to swap it out for a new one. There's a new larger waterfall haptic trackpad and it is super smooth and responsive. It sounds great too with sound by Poly Studio with 4 stereo speakers as well as dual mics and AI noise reduction. It's got great connectivity too with Wi-Fi 7, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, great for attaching to monitors as well as solid state drives. And there's HDMI 2.1, which is great for connecting to external monitors, plus it'll run at 120 frames a second. But what's really amazing is the super long battery life. Of course, that will depend on how you use it, but it's just an incredible amount of assurance knowing that you can take this from place to place and still get work done all day long. I love the design too. It's really nice and sturdy, but looks great and feels good too with this aluminum finish. Plus it comes in 3 colors. This is atmospheric blue, which I really love. There's also glacier silver as well as eclipse gray. Using the EliteBook X Flip is fantastic in tablet mode. It just transforms how you use it. Plus, I love this new HP nested smart pen because it fits right into the body here, so you don't actually have to worry about ever losing it. Plus, it'll actually help you track a lost pen if you do happen to misplace it. You can do lots of things like painting, drawing, and sketching, but you can also do other things like magnify small text just by hovering above it. And I love using it for marking up PDFs. Plus, the pen gets about 2.5 hours of use on a single charge. Switch over to presentation mode and you can angle the screen just right for presenting slides to a room full of people. The hinges are nice and sturdy here and I like to get behind it so I can show everybody what it can do. And of course, it's not all about work. You can actually kick back and relax with the HP EliteBook X Flip. I really love it in tent mode. So this configuration is self-standing and it's great for just maximizing that beautiful screen so you can watch a movie on it or maybe play some games. Now this is a beautiful OLED screen and I love OLED technology because it's got a very wide viewing angle, beautiful contrast, really nice and color accurate. So this is a 3K model, 120 Hertz, which is great for gaming. You can sort of pick the color accuracy you want as well. And this one is about 800 nits in brightness. Of course, there are plenty of other configurations you can choose from as well. But I just love watching a movie on it or maybe just hooking it up with my controller here and really maximizing that GPU and playing some games. I have to say, I'm really impressed with the innovation, the power, and versatility of this AI PC. So you really can unlock more of everything with HP's EliteBook X Flip G2i plus Intel's Core Ultra X7 Series 3 processor. That's the power of Intel inside.